Hello everyone. In this video, we're answering a very popular question. Can you update your iPad Air 2 to iPadOS 16? And how do you get the latest update? Let's get straight to the facts. The short answer is, officially, no. Apple dropped support for the iPad Air 2 with the release of iPadOS 16. The maximum supported software for the iPad Air 2 is iPadOS 15. Because of hardware limitations, you cannot install iPadOS 16 or newer on this model. Also, be careful with websites or videos claiming you can install iPadOS 16 using custom files, as these can harm your device or compromise your data. However, you should still keep your device on the latest version of iPadOS 15 for security updates. Method 1. Open Settings, tap General, and select Software Update. If an update for iPadOS 15 is available, tap Download and Install. Method 2. Connect your iPad to your computer, open iTunes or Finder on Mac, select your iPad, and click Check for Update. iTunes will download and install the latest available version, which will be iPadOS 15, as version 16 is not supported. And that's it. If this video helped clear up your questions, please like and subscribe for more tech tips.